Hi there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with hopefully a very interesting lesson for you. It's a Cliff Richard classic song called Carrie, and I'm doing this lesson in two parts because there's quite a bit in the intro to keep you busy for a while, I think. Okay, so I'm going to split it into two, so the rest of the song will be in part two. So this is just the intro, which can also be played during the verse as well, but I will show you when I get to part two. I'll show you how to play it strumming wise for the verse as well as playing the intro under it as well. I think if you're only playing it on your own, possibly strumming it might be better and easier to sing over. Okay, so anyway, this is the intro and possibly what you would like to put under the verse. Okay, I'm in drop D tuning. Okay, so standard tuning to start with, then your bottom E string, loosen it off until it becomes a D note. So loosen it off until it sounds like your fourth string. Then you're in drop D tuning, just the one string has to be changed, okay? And it's the same key that Cliff Richard did the song in originally, okay? So you can play along with it, okay? So let's get to it. So I'm playing hybrid picking on this, pick and also fingers at the same time. Okay, so it starts off with just one finger, first finger on the first fret of the second string, B string, and I am hitting the fourth string with my pick, open fourth string, and the third string's open, and the second string are third string and second string plucked by two fingers. So all three together. Okay, so fourth string open, third string open, first fret, second string, picks playing the fourth string, two fingers plucking the third and second strings. All together. Second chord is just the same thing but with your third finger now on the third fret of the second string. Exactly the same, fourth string open, third string open, all three strings together, second string at the third fret, picks playing the fourth string, third string and second string plucked with two fingers. Yeah, so from the beginning, so it's right, and then we're going to go a two string job, fourth string open with the pick along with the second fret of the third string with the finger, just those two strings, the fourth string and the third string at the second fret. Okay, so now you've got this. Let's do it again. Okay, then we have a little riff. Okay, two hits on the bottom E string, it's now a D note but we'll call it a bottom E string, two hits, and then a slide on the fourth string from 2 to 4, and then finishing up on the third fret, what am I saying, the second fret of the third string. So set 2 to 4 on the fourth, and then ending up on the second fret of the third string with you, all on using the pick. Yeah. Okay, got that. So now we've got this. Okay. Now basically the second phrase is exactly the same apart from the ending. So again. This time it's two hits on the bottom E string as was before, slide from 2 to 4 as was before, second fret third string, but you go back to the fourth fret of the fourth string to finish it off. So it's okay, so now we've got this. Do it very slowly. Okay, now we come to a fairly tricky bit. So first chord is partial F chord. If you make an F chord, simple F chord, I'm just using the fourth string, the third string and the second string. Okay, and again I'm plucking and with my pick I'm playing the 4th string, and the other 2 strings of the 2nd string and the 3rd string are being plucked by 2 fingers all together. Okay, so that's the first chord of this next phrase. So then we go to an A minor 7th. So from the F shape, just basically take off your 3rd finger and move this 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret of the 4th string, A minor 7th, right? 2nd on the 4th, open 3rd, and keeping the 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Again, all 4th string is played by the pick as usual, and 3rd string and 2nd string plucked. So simple change there, yeah. Then what we do is we take these 2 off and put your pinky or your 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, play the 4th string open with your pick, the 3rd string open with a finger, and this 3rd fret, 2nd string with a finger. Just those 3 strings. So you got, alright. So now let's take it from the beginning, yeah. So after that, after you've done that one, we do a very simple 2-string one, open 4th string, 2nd on the 3rd. So it's okay. So from the F, A minor 7th, that one with the 3rd fret, 2nd string, open 3rd, open 4th, and then finally the open 4th and 2nds on the 3rd together. Do a mini pause, a very minute pause, then you hit that one again, right? So it's that one, and then the 4th string and the 3rd string together, open. So you just have to take this finger off and play the 4th string and the 3rd string open together, picks playing the 4th string, fingers plucking the 3rd string open, yeah? So now we've got this phrase is do it again. Slowly. Okay. Then we go, so let's get that far, shall we? So let's do the whole thing. Then we go to the final phrase of this song, which is a 3rd string open, right? With my 3rd finger is now going to go to the 3rd fret of the 5th string for using the pick on that one, and the 3rd string open with my finger, and you hit those, do double pluck together twice. Okay. So now we go from this last phrase. It's okay. Then put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then play that one, followed by the 3rd on the 5th. So it goes. So 2 hits with the 3rd on the 5th on the open 3rd, then the 2nd on the 4th, and the 3rd on the 5th again. So now we've got this on this last phrase. Do it again very slowly. Okay, so now we've got the whole thing. Let's just go from the beginning, so up to almost the end. Okay, here we go. very slowly, okay? Now take all your fingers off and just play the 4th string open, the 5th string open and the bottom E string open. Yeah? So now we've got this. Okay, got that. Just those 3 strings open, 4, 5, 6. And the final phrase is 2 fingers, well I do it on 2 fingers, covering the 3rd fret of the bottom E string and the 3rd fret of the 5th string. So you go down 3rd fret bottom E string, 3rd fret 5th string, and then open 4th, and then bottom E string open. So those 2 phrases are. Right, so let's go right from the beginning, okay? Slowly. Okay, let's do that again very slowly, or even slower possibly. Finally, the very final one, very simple. 2 hits on the bottom E string open, 2 hits on the 4th fret of the bottom E string, sorry, and then 5th string open. So open bottom E string twice, then the 4th fret of the bottom E string twice, and then two hits on the 5th string open. And then basically you start the whole thing again, but it starts the singing, yeah? Where it goes, forgive me if I'm living. Let's just say you can play that whole intro underneath the verse, but I will show you how to play chords over it as well, which is probably easy if you're going to sing it, okay? So, C, D, you get the idea. It's a lot easier than trying to sing over that riff.